Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we will learn the two codes to check if your Xiaomi smartphone is real or not. So the first step is to go to the dialer app. From here, just dial *#0 6#. And as you can see, the IMEI code of your device will appear on the display. Now from here, just match the IMEI code on the display to the IMEI code on the box of the smartphone, just like that. Now the second code to check if your Xiaomi smartphone is real or not is go to the dialer. From here, dial *#64663#*#. Now, as you can see from here, you can check the hardware of your phone, like your speakers, the screen, the microphone. For example, I'm gonna test the touch of our smartphone. Tap OK. Now, as you can see from here, you can check the touch of your smartphone. Now, this is how you can check if your Xiaomi smartphone is real or not. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.